Welcome back to another Trendy Talia video. My name is Talia, for those of you who may be new here, bringing you all of my favorite trends from the beauty and fashion world, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Princess Pamper routine. Let's get started. So the first thing for my Princess Pamper routine is giving myself a little at-home manicure. I chose a beautiful princessy pink color, and this color is by Sally Hansen in the shade Smart Tease. It is my all-time favorite princessy girly pink color. So to achieve the perfect at-home mani, I do use this nail care electronic gifted to me for Christmas from my grandmother. It is a Petty Perfect electronic nail care system, and it comes with a file, a buff, and a shine, and I did use all three of these to achieve that at-home perfect mani. And after using this tool, I just applied a base coat and then the Sally Hansen Smart Tease nail color, and then I topped it off with a top coat. After achieving that perfect at-home mani, I did go ahead and start with my shower routine. The first thing I applied was Garnier Skin Active New Soothing Cleansing Milk. It's made with rose water, also made without parabens, dyes, silicones, and sulfates. And let me tell you all, this product works so amazing. At least that's my opinion of this product. It has, first of all, a lovely scent to it, but it leaves my skin feeling so soft, so smooth, and so hydrating. And then I applied this Yes to Grapefruit Vibrancy Boosting Vitamin C Brightening Hair Clay Mask. And it has vitamin C mixed into a creamy clay to help keep the locks you love shiny and fresh. And this smelled totally like grapefruit. It had a nice citrusy scent to it, and it left my hair feeling soft and smooth and shiny. You do have to leave this on for 3 to 5 minutes. So while that was working in my hair, I applied this Ulta Beauty Creamy Cocoa Latte Body Sorbet. And I'm going to be honest with you guys, when I picked this product up, I thought it was a body scrub. I did not read sorbet. So when I got into the shower and I applied it, I was like, oh, I thought it was going to be kind of like a sugar scrub. And then I read the back of it, and technically it's like a lotion, so oops on my part, but you know what, it just gave me a nice moisturizing lather on my skin. So I think either way, if you want to use this in shower, you could, but technically it is like a body butter lotion. And then after I applied the sorbet, I did use Pink Lily and Bamboo by Bath & Body Works. I love how lovely this scent smells. It smells like I've been out in the garden picking flowers and just, you know, being a princess out in the garden. So definitely recommend this product if you love floral scents. Shower, I did apply the body cream as well as a fragrance body mist, and these paired together will just give you that wonderful floral scent that I was talking about. Afterwards, I did apply a face mask, the Yes to Grapefruit Brightening Vitamin C Glow Boosting Unicorn Peel Off Mask. I loved how this worked, and the holographic iridescent color that it gave on the face mask was just a cherry on top. And you do wait 8 to 10 minutes until you can peel this off. So while I was waiting on that, I popped on these cooling eye patches with unicorns on them. I got them from Bath & Body Works last year. And you just pop them on your eyes for about 10 minutes, and this just helps get rid of any tired looking eyes and brightens up the eye area. And then after peeling off my face mask, I did apply a nose pore strip as well as an eye mask and a lip mask. And I did purchase this from Five Below. This is not a bad deal at all. You get 2 of each, and I want to say I paid about $4 for all of this. After peeling off the lip mask, I did apply a Cherry Slush lip scrub. It's a sugar scrub from Ulta, and oh my goodness, it tastes wonderful. You actually are allowed to lick your lips after this, so just want to let you guys know, don't want you to think that I'm just eating random like beauty products. You are able to lick this off, and it tastes amazing, just like a cherry slushie. And then after that, I applied this Yes to Coconut Cooling Lip Oil, and this helps hydrate and restore my lips. Then I applied my favorite face moisturizer by Pond's, the Clarent B3 Dark Spot Correcting Cream. And then to complete the Princess Pamper look, I locked it in with this Garnier Skin Active Soothing Facial Mist. Again, it is made with rose water and without parabens, dyes, or silicones. And I love pairing this product with the cleansing milk that I showed you guys earlier because it does leave my skin feeling so soft, smooth, and hydrating, as well as leaving my face smelling like roses. Thank you all so much for watching my Princess Pamper routine. I hope you all enjoyed it and feel inspired to pamper your skin like a princess. And before I close out this video, I do want to say that the little pajama set that I am wearing is from Forever 21. It's giving me major spring princess vibes. And believe it or not, I purchased it on the clearance rack too. So not a bad deal at all. And yeah, I hope you all have a magical day and I will see you next time. Bye!